advisory is in effect. Currently in our area, 70 degrees under cloudy skies. Tonight, showers and thunder showers likely. Low 67. Winds could occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. Wednesday, windy. Periods of rain in the morning. High 71. Wednesday night, clear skies. Low 55. Winds southwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Here's our 7-day outlook.
Dangerous than ever before.
Remain vigilant, pay close attention to the Weather Channel.
No one can cover this historic hurricane season better than the Weather Channel. Get the information you need to stay safe every day. Storm safety in a pandemic all season long, right here on the Weather Channel.